Most of us depend on one source of income, that is our salary. We have our plans, goals, and dream life that we want to live. We are structuring everything around only one source of income. Things might become tough. It might take more time to reach your dream life if we only depend on one source of income. Hi, I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today we are going to be talking about the 7 streams of income. The first stream of income is earned income that we already spoke of. We go to work, at the end of the month we get our salary. We need to put most of our time productively going to work and completing few jobs. Now this is going to take most of your time, right? To live your dream life and make your plans actually work, it's better to have more than 2 to 3 streams of income. Let's get into the video in detail to understand the other 6 streams of income. Stream number 2 is business income. If you have a product or a service in mind that may solve people's problem, you are bound to do well in business. This is also somewhat active income till the business is completely set up. The third stream of income is interest. Money can make money at a specific rate. Let it be putting it out as loans, keeping it in banks. As long as you get a rate for the money kept or money being used by someone else, that is income coming from interest. The next stream of income that I want to talk about is income from capital gains. This eventually becomes passive income once you figure out where you want to make your investments. This is going to take some of your effort where you need to follow the company and see if it is going in the right direction according to what you are thinking. Eventually, if everything works out, these are going to give you capital gains. The fifth stream of income is dividends. A lot of companies share their profits with their shareholders. If you get hold of these companies and become an investor, you will get time to time dividends from these companies. The sixth stream of income is real estate. You know, I always talk about the supply and demand. India has a lot of demand for real estate, whereas the supply is limited. Appreciation in land value is bound to happen. This, in the long run, will generate income for you based on the land value, which will increase, also as a rental income. The seventh stream is royalty. If you have created some kind of content that people want to use, you can license it out to them at a particular rate. So this will also be a passive income. Once your content is out there and people want to use, it can be used as a royalty income. I know you guys have a plan and dream that you want to live. Make sure it is not bound to only one stream of income. Always try to create different streams so that the plan which you have will get executed in a faster time frame. Also, you will be one step closer to your dream life. If you have any other suggestions apart from these 7 streams, leave it in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you feel in the comment section. Do share this video with your friends and family as well. Don't forget to subscribe to Mostly Bearish and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from my side. Thank you so much for watching.